So what's the holy trinity of natural, anabolic, steroid-like effects without any side effects negatively or detrimentally to your health? There's a holy trinity out there, guys, and the Never Enough Nutrition team have brought it to you, me being the team. We have got now KSM66 Ashwagandha, la pièce de la résistance. It is banging. Put that with Rhodiola aggressors, again, banging, and then add in the special secret ingredient, Tongkat Ali, baby, Tongkat Ali. Put those 3 bottles together in a little stack. You have got gold. Nectar of the muscle gods. Those 3 products are coming out hopefully this week, and we're going to do a little stack with those 3 products where we're going to put them all together. If you buy all 3, you will get a huge discount. Good to you guys. See you later, guys. Keep it happy. Bye bye.